One of the important thing to improve any skill to work on that particular skill. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, my village, my English, and my name is Sapna. So dear one, here we are talking about on our speaking skill. So this thing we have to always keep in mind. If we have to improve our cooking skill, we have to cook food to improve our cooking skill. If we want to improve our writing, so then we have to write something to improve our writing. Whatever we want to improve, we have to put effort to improve that thing. In the same way, if you are going to improve your speaking skill, then you have to speak as much you can. You can do the session with your co-learners. You can do some you can talk to yourself, you can talk to your friends, you can talk to those person who are really interested to improve their speaking skill. You can talk to anyone. This is very well famous proverb that think before you speak. But as far as this language is concerned, English language is concerned, there is no need to think before before to speak. Here you have to speak, because speaking, only speaking can improve your speaking skill. No, nobody can or nothing can improve your speaking skill. If you are reading too much, that will not help you to improve your speaking skill. If you are writing too much, it will not help you to improve your speaking skill. If you are listening too much, it will also not help you to improve your speaking skill. Only speaking can help you to improve your speaking skill. Speaking is very important, because if we are working, if we want to speak, we have to speak. Without speaking, you cannot speak yourself. And the thing is, how we can talk, how we can speak, with whom we can speak. We don't have any environment. So if you don't have environment in which you can speak, you have to talk you to yourself. The things which are around you, you can you can talk with them. There are so many people, you can say, they talk with trees, or there are so many things with their talk. In the same way, you can talk to anyone, anything which is around you. Because now our purpose is to speak, to improve our communication skill, nothing else. Because when we born, we have the power to do something. Remember the days when you were kids, and when you started your crawling, it might be you fell down so much time, but you had the confidence that you could do, you can run, you can walk. So that's why you are here. Now you can walk easily, now you can move easily, you can run easily. And God has given us the power to do something. And this is the environment which create pressure on it, which create a atmosphere. We create our environment in such type in which we feel agitation. Otherwise, there is no one who can stop you to do anything in your life. This is you are the only person who are stopping yourself to improve you. For speaking purpose, you have to speak only. The thing that we have to keep in mind, if we are learning, if we are speaking, why we are speaking, why it is important to speak. If there is no need to learn English, then why are you learning? The thing why is very important. If you don't know why you are learning this language, there is no need to work upon this language. Because why is very important. If you don't know your motto, your motive, your aim to learn behind this language, and still you are working to improve your communication skill and anything, you may stop your journey between to reach your target. So firstly, you have to clear your this doubt why you are learning this language, and speaking English only help you to improve your speaking skill, nothing else. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for further notification. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas to all my viewers and subscribers. And God, Lord Jesus, may fulfill your all dreams. And in future and in the next year, you will become a fluent speaker. This is the blessing of your elder sister to all my viewers and subscribers. Thank you very much.